Oh, hey crafty people. So I was watching YouTube and guess what I found? Some interesting recipes. And you know what? I'm gonna try them. The cauliflower one. Now, cauliflower, I'm not the hugest fan of. It's okay. It's nothing special. It's not wow, but hopefully with this we can make it wow. So you basically take cauliflower and then flour, mixed seasoning, milk, you blend it together, and you basically take this, mush it all around with the cauliflower, and it's supposed to be kind of a crunchy style cauliflower. I mean, cauliflower is pretty basic in taste and texture and all that, so hopefully this is gonna lighten things up, hopefully. But yeah, let's try it. This actually, I don't know how it's gonna go. I hope it goes well, but let's try it. We have our cauliflower right here, our milk, our flour, and our mixed seasoning. Now I'm gonna chop this cauliflower into bite-sized pieces like this and then mix it with all of this. And now editing. So, editing, right? Now I'm gonna take this, which is basically the milk and the mixed seasoning and all that, put it on the cauliflower, trying to spread it out evenly. We'll see what happens. Previous hack is done. Okay, so we have our cauliflower right here, and I'm gonna put it on like so. Sure. Now let's bake this and see what happens. Okay, so while that is cooking, let's check out another recipe, and it's also kind of an interesting one, but also stay tuned and keep watching if you want to see how that turns out. Now this, oh boy, let's just watch it, okay? So strawberries, sugar, and then you microwave it. That's jam. That's not how you make jam. In our country, people do jam, homemade jam all over the place, so that is not the right way. But I will try it anyway, so let's make this. It's not gonna be that. So we're not gonna make that, we are gonna try and make that, but it won't work, you will see. I'm 100% sure of this. Let's try it anyway. In my country, everybody makes jam. It's like a thing of ours. I don't know, it's weird, but if you go and buy jam, people make fun of you because you buy jam. Everybody makes their own homemade jam, and this is not how you make jam, okay? But anyway, I'm gonna try it just because I think it's weird that they are saying that this is how you make jam. So that's just chopped strawberries with sugar, and then you put this in the microwave. It's not gonna work, but let's do it. As I said, this is not jam. It's more like a syrup with actual chunks of fruit in it. If you want syrup with actual chunk of fruit in it, then yes, this is okay. But if you want jam, that's not okay. Okay? So, the jam, right? Because it's supposed to be a jam. It's not a jam. It's a syrup with strawberries in it. It's okay, but you can't really put it on bread or something. It's just, look, this is not jam, this is syrup. Simple as that. Okay, so for the cauliflower, the mix kind of dripped around it, and you have like those kind of things that are just around. You can dismiss those or you can eat those, but the parts where is the cauliflower with the thing above it, it looks pretty good. It looks anyway, it looks pretty good, and it's actually kind of good. Yeah, it doesn't change the taste of cauliflower really that much, but if you want cauliflower with something a little bit different, you can try this. It actually cooked pretty easily and pretty fast. Now for the simplest one, cucumber. You just take cucumber, you cut it, you don't need that. You just cut it and then you bake it. Yeah, baked cucumber. Now, if you go to a bar or something, they will give you like some sort of cooked cucumber to go with whatever you're drinking, but just baking it, I don't think it's gonna work, but it's just a cucumber, so let's try it fast, because why not? So this should be pretty easy. We got our cucumber here, and we're gonna cut it in very slim and now I guess let's bake it. Okay, so this is just cucumber that was baked. So I guess it actually took a lot longer than I thought. I thought that okay, I will put it in the oven and like what, in 5 minutes it's gonna be done. It wasn't. I stood around almost an hour, I guess, to just wait for the cucumbers to cook, I guess. So let's see. They don't really, I mean, yeah, it doesn't taste any good or any better. It's just they have less water, and that's that. Yeah, don't bake cucumbers, just don't. Thank you very much for watching until the end of the video, and if you want more, always subscribe, like, comment, and please actually comment if you're gonna try one of these, which one are you going to try, and also thank you very much that you spend your time with us trying weird cooking things. See ya.